Hey everybody, I just got a package from Menachem at Escape Pod Comics, the best comic shop. He's in Huntington, New York. Huge supporter of our channel, huge supporter of Dave's work on Strange Death of Alex Raymond. And I ordered a copy of Cerebus Going Home, the restored edition from Menachem, because Sean didn't have any spare copies to send me. So we wanted that for the Cerebus stuff that we're going to be doing. And then Menachem said he's going to send me a whole bunch of free damaged books. I'm assuming, since he sent it in the Penguin Random House box, that it's going to be a bunch of Marvel comics. But let's see what Menachem did. Every time I order stuff from Menachem, I get all kinds of extra goodies. He's got fantastic taste. Really good at figuring out what the customer's taste is and sending them stuff that he knows they'll like. Oh wow. Not just Marvel stuff. Wow, Menachem's hooking it up. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Dang, Menachem. All kinds of cool manga. Avatar, The Last Airbender. Man, he did me good. Oh, Blood on the Tracks. This is actually a book that's on my list to buy, and this is volume 1. Wow, thank you, Menachem. I'm really looking forward to this. Yeah, this is one I've been meaning to get to. That's really awesome. To Your Eternity, another one I've been meaning to get to because students tell me about it. So this is volume 2, early in the story. That'll be a good peek. Looks good. Yeah, it's one that I wouldn't have put on my list, but people tell me about, so I'm glad to see that too. Kirby Manga Mania. Man, Menachem's hooking up with the manga today. Way cool. I thought this was going to be a bunch of Marvel books that Penguin messed up. Here's some comics folded in half. Firefly? Oh, Tori will like that. She loves Firefly. I don't know what this is, but it looks nice. Ghosted in LA. I like that it doesn't have a title on the cover. It's on the back. That's brave. Oh, Scene of Grace. Yeah, I like Scene of Grace's work. That'll be cool. Firefly. Yeah, Tori loves Firefly. She had me watch that. Angel. Was a cover by Dan Panosian. The most interesting and improved artist from the Rob Liefeld era. Panosian. He's a great inker now. A great artist in his own right. I love these folded in half books. Making sure they're totally ruined if you're going to get them for free. Compass, The Cauldron of Eternal Life. I have no idea what that is. Looks cool. This is some Mark Miller thing. Oh yeah, Jupiter's Legacy. Tommy Lee Edwards, also an artist I really, really like. Like kind of photorealistic looking, but also looks totally made up. Always great colors. Parasomnia, Colin Bunn and Andrea Muti. I do like Muti's work. I'm just tossing these on the floor because they're already damaged. Save Yourself. Never heard of this. Very Boom, though. A very Boom comic. Basilisk. Another Colin Bunn. Colin Bunn, like, I think writes every comic out there. Barbaric. I like that cover. From Vault. Never heard of this. Oh, a little filthy on the inside. Showing filth. Savage Sword of Conan. Ron Garney. Okay. Alright, Menachem. I see you. You're sending the good stuff. Star Wars. By Kieran Gillen. Is he still writing Star Wars? I know he had a good run on it. Mountainhead. I read one issue of this and I liked it. And I never saw any more. Number 3. Family Tree by Jeff Lemire. Jeff Lemire is one of my favorite more mainstream writers right now. This is a good series. I've read some of this. issue 1 of that. Sonata. Oh, Brian Haberlin. So it's probably got like AR augmented apps or something. He's always at the forefront of the technology. Time Before Time, Deacon Shalvey. I tried to read this one. The timey-wimey stuff wasn't for me. Stillwater. Chip Zdarsky. I like Zdarsky. Sex Criminals with Matt Fraction's like one of my favorites. Another Buffy. All kinds of stuff. Damn. I gotta find time to read all of this now. Magic. I'm assuming this is like Magic the Gathering. I don't recognize the artists or the writer. Cool stuff though. Good fantasy art. The Blue Flame. That's gotta be a joke book. I don't know. That's not what I meant by Blue Flame as a kid. Looks like one more unnecessary superhero comic. I don't know. I'll have to read it. Oh, cool. Some more Kids Lit stuff. I've been wanting to look at more of that. I've been doing some reviews of Kid Lit. This is good. This looks good. Shannon Hale and Leon Pham. Never heard of them. That's exciting. This one looks like a Kids Lit book too. Yeah, Scholastic, City of Dragons. That looks good. These will be good for Tori's son Jack when he visits us too. But I have been reading. They haven't come out yet, but I've done some videos of kids that I like. Marie Curie, A Quest for Light. I've never heard this. This looks cool. Oh yeah, this looks experimental. I like this. What company is this from? Oh, IDW. Okay. Yeah, I like this. Kind of Bill Sienkiewicz, David Mack, like textural collage. That's cool. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to find time to read all this. Oh, the Killjoys. Yeah, this is a Gerard Way. Art by Becky Cloonan. Becky Cloonan's always great. Okay, that's gonna be awesome. I like the Umbrella Academy. I've never read the Killjoys one. You're doing me good, Menachem. Oh my goodness. Here's Going Home. This is what I actually ordered and paid for. This should be the restored edition by Sean. Yeah. You can see that amazing print quality Sean gets. This was one of my least favorite Cerebus books. I think largely because a lot of what Gerhard did with the art didn't reproduce well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this new remastered version by Sean. Yeah, I can tell already. It just looks way better. Like a lot of what here's a really great Bernie Wrightson by Dave. A lot of what Gerhard did just didn't come through. And so the art looked worse and flatter than it actually is. So I'm really excited to see this book with Sean's magic applied to it. Yeah, there's just a lot more value going on there. A lot less flat in the art. So this is awesome. I've been looking forward to this, and it will be a long time before we get to it. And oh, good, To Your Eternity 1, so I can read volume 1 as well. Awesome. Menachem, dude, you're my dude. This is all stuff that he is sending me because it is damaged. I just paid for shipping. This is interesting. What is this? Never heard of this. Sayonara Football. And it looks like we've got volume 1 and 2. Good. Never even heard of this, but it looks cool. And The Magic Fish. This looks like a nice book too. This looks really good. Never heard of this. Is this another Scholastic? Random House Kids by Trung Le Nguyen. Wow. I was seriously, I was expecting a stack of jacked up Marvel books. I was expecting a bunch of, like floppies from Marvel like this from the big Penguin Random House shipping debacle. Obviously, this box that he sent it in is one of these Random House Penguin Random House debacle shipments with the beat up corners and everything. So I was expecting, a whole bunch of beat up Marvel books, but man, this is awesome. This is so much cool stuff. Thank you so much, Menachem. Everyone, you can see how good of a dude Menachem is. Really the best retailer that I know of, somebody who's just absolutely obsessive about comics and knows everything that's out there. I follow his Instagram feed. I stalk it just because I want to see what's on his shelves, because it's like stuff I've never even heard of, and I find a lot of books that look good that way. And like I said, he's just someone who really knows his customers and really knows how to give the recommendation. At some point, I'm going to get a boatload of money and take a road trip to Huntington, New York, and absolutely raid Menachem's shop. But thank you so much, Menachem. These are all awesome books. I can't wait to read them. I know for a fact that Menachem does all kinds of mail order work too. So make sure that you use Menachem Luchins at Escape Pod Comics as your comics retailer, even if you're not local to the Huntington area. And who knows, maybe he'll send you a big old cool stash of beat up books too.